What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And today we got an unboxing to do. We got some big packages. And just want to say, thanks to everybody that's subscribed so far. We got a lot to go over, a lot to do. So let's get into this unboxing. So I ordered this stuff a while back and been waiting on it. Of course, it's car parts. We all know that. Check it out. Alright, so this looks like the idle air control motor from Holley Performance. And I'm pretty sure this is the throttle position sensor. Yep. And this is the upgraded one that they have online. So, which leads me to believe that this is the throttle body. It's all packaged up nice. Instructions. Alright. So this is the Holley Sniper EFI 102mm throttle body. Oh God. Look at that. Get a whole fist in there. Golly. This is pretty nice. So the throttle position sensor will go there. The idle air control will go there. So when we put all this together, I'll explain both of those and what they actually do. I like this. I like this. All right. Now the big one. If you understand throttle bodies and idle air controls and all that, then you kind of know what this is. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh. Okay. About to say, I thought I was missing some parts. I wasn't. Oh my goodness, what's this in here? I'm glad I could fit my hand down in there. All the little gaskets. So this is, we're gonna go ahead and move this all out the way. This is the Holley Sniper EFI intake. This thing is nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Of course I had to go with the black. I didn't want no shiny, super shiny stuff going on. Oh yeah. So that's that, and then the parts I thought I was missing was under the foam, so sorry, I'm jumping the gun. I'm gonna put that back in there. Alright. So this right here is the fuel rails. I'm not gonna fully take those out the plastic, but you got fuel rails, you got a fuel line, that connects both of them, but I might not use it. Reason why is because I'm probably gonna do the fuel system go where it comes from the fuel regulator and goes into both sides of the fuel rails. So as they're sitting on the intake, one is on one side, one is on the other, have the fuel come in on both sides, and then have the return come back out. I don't know yet. I haven't decided, but that's there just in case. We got all these AN fittings, brackets, bolts, everything I need to make this all work. So I'm just gonna close that back up because I don't even need it right now. Alright. So the reason why I went with Holley Performance for my intake is because I've seen, I watch Cletus McFarlane a lot, and he has a bunch of LS builds, and he uses them all the time, and he's had like nothing but success with this product, and it actually looks nice. It from every almost every video I see on Instagram that I'm following that are like LS builds, I always see Holley, so it's like, why not use what is already been proven to work? So the reason why I also went with 102 millimeters is because eventually down the road I plan on either going turbo or twin turbo. So with it being with the intake being that big, it can pull in more air when it comes to twin turbo thing. So with that being said, to fill y'all in on what's been going on, so I have my motor sent off to the machine shop to get bored, line honed. All the pistons, rods are getting balanced. The piston rings are getting gapped. I'm getting all that done, but I'll be putting the motor together like I said in the last video. So that's all sent off. Maybe in 2 weeks I should be getting that back. If you haven't been following my pages, I sold my 300. That's gone. And the 240, it looks like that might be selling soon. So with that being said, what is the car this motor is supposed to be going into? Y'all just gonna have to stay tuned and watch that. Yes, I have a vehicle in mind, and like I said, if you follow my social media, you kind of already know. But I have a buddy that has it. He's gonna teach me how to weld, teach me how to do all the body work on it, and it's gonna be good. So I think that's it really. So with that being said, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all like this unboxing. I hope y'all like this explanation. Sorry I haven't been posting anything. I haven't had anything really to do since the motor's gone. I'm just kind of just waiting for everything to get down. So like, share, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. Follow on my social media. The links will be down in the descriptions below. And thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all later. Peace.